Hello there, one more time, once again, one more day, one more video. So here we have an A1708 2016-17 2 ports MacBook Pro. Doesn't turn on, there's no trackpad click. So let's connect the charger and see what's its behavior when the charger is connected. Here you go. First port, 5 volts at 15 milliamps steady. It's not going anywhere beyond 0.15 milliamps. This is first port. Second port, 5 volts, 20 milliamps, almost the same, 23, 20. So it is dead. So let's take out the board from the casing and see what are the chances of this getting fixable. So the board is out of the casing. Immediately I could find the damage. There was no need for me to do any kind of measurement. Let me just show you under the microscope. There you go. There you go. You can just see one capacitor is corroded and the resistor beside it is also corroded. So probably that should be for 3.3 volt LDO or 3.3 volt required for that particular chip to be turning on. So that chip is the USB-C MUX, USB-C port controller, so which got damaged. So I'll just pull that cap off and I'll just clean that area and see what are the chances of this board getting back to life. So the chip is removed. So let me just show you. One pad is completely damaged. You can see I just removed the cap and I can see the complete pad got corroded. So there is no power supply going. It's for 3v3 LDO. Due to that corroded pad or the rusted pad, there's no supply going into the chip. So now what I have to do is I have to clear that rust and make sure that the pads are continuous, and then I have to put the removed chip back. So let me just get back once I am done with all that. So the pad cleaning process is done. So you can see we have restored the pad, and in the course of wicking the solder pads we have lost the conformal coating. So we have applied the green UV mask and we have insulated those open connections. So now I will put the chip back and get back from there. So the chip replacement is done. Actually I didn't change the chip. I have used the same chip. I have reballed it and I have put it back where it belongs to, because I couldn't see any damage under the chip. It was just the power supply line of the chip which caused damage. Let me show it to you under the microscope. So as you can see, everything has been reworked and everything is clean. So before putting it back into the casing, let's put power into it and see whether it's taking 20 volts now or not. It's connected. Wow, 20 volts, 60 milliamps, 500 milliamps. Yes, this board is turning on. And let's check the second port too. $20 volts, 600 milliamps. Yes, it is turning on. So let me put this back into the casing and we'll take it forward from there. So there you go, MacBook assembly is done. So let's put some power into it and see whether it turns on or not. What is its status? 20 volts, I can see the trackpad clicking, fan spinning. Let's see if it posts. Yes, started. Let's cover this, let it load. It shouldn't take this long, but still let's wait for some time and see. Yeah, keyboard backlight. Yes, it works. Keyboard, yes, perfect. So I don't think it has the charge or not. Let's pull out the power and see. Power, great, it works. Oh no, it has to be charged. The MacBook doesn't have charge, so we have to put it on charge. So that's all for now. MacBook fixed. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.